Here's some telematic art trivia. Subscribe. Which artist created the grid using coding? Is it A. Joshua Davis, B. KCC Manfred Moore, or Raphael Rosendahl? The correct answer is D. Raphael Rosendahl. Who created the Love of Denmark telematic piece? Is it A. Lars von Trier, B. Hans Christian Andersen, C. Marta Desjardins, or D. Niels Bohr? The correct answer is C. Marta Desjardins. Which tool is essential for telematic communication? Is it A. Fax machine, B. Video conferencing, C. Clipboard, or D. Email? The correct answer is B. Video conferencing. Who created the Telematic Dreaming installation? Is it A. Stellark, B. Banksy, C. Yayoi Kusama, or D. Marina Abramovic? The correct answer is A. Stellark. What is the primary purpose of telematic art? Is it A. Commercial profit, B. Historical documentation, C. Surveillance, or D. Connection? The correct answer is D. Connection. What is significant about the Telematic Sphere? Is it A. Performance theater, B. Augmented reality games, C. Virtual reality art, or D. Networked installations? The correct answer is D. Networked installations. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.